Okay, my gunner bud's got to poop, but the wind is scaring him, so I'm thinking he just gonna have to. He can't find his poop spot. Gunner, say hi to the peoples. No? You're not gonna say hi? We're gonna vlog today. No? You over it? It's nap time. Okay. We'll leave you alone. You sure you don't want to say hi? Your side eye is mean. Hey guys. I know it has been a while. Well, Happy New Year. It is the first WIP Wednesday of the year, and I am trying to finish up this floats cowl from Pearl Soho. So I have a few things I want to do. Like I need to make some leg warmers for a friend of mine for her daughter. I need to do a blanket or some sort of blanket, stroller blanket, something for my daughter's best friend. Yeah. But I did not want to keep having this be undone. So I'm just about there. I need 11 inches. I haven't measured it lately. I want to say I'm about at 8 inches, I want to say. So let's see. Yeah.
The hang up, sir, is that if your daughter doesn't want to do it, I can't.
Yeah, I'm about 8.5 inches in. So I'm tempted to stop here because I think it's wide enough, but I'm going to follow the pattern. It's called Floats Cowl, and it's designed to be worn on the wrong side because there you'll see your floats. But in my opinion, it's reversible because I actually like both sides. So this yarn is from Do You Knit, the Yarn Pimp, and this is the MCN base that she was kind enough to gift me. So I will be writing a review. I had two skeins, and I'm just starting the second skein. And what I will do also is, this is my first time with the I want to say but for some reason I don't believe that's the way it's pronounced. But these needles, this is my first time using these, so I will give you my thoughts on those as well. So hey guys, hey. Connor, say hi. You're not gonna say hi? Say hello. Can we take this off? Huh? Can I take that off, bub? No? What'd you say? Gunner. But.
$3.99 all you can eat pancakes.
Getting run down could be the start of...
There's no guarantee you'll open it.
Silva wants to know what you know about it. Philip, hey, to stick my seasoned investigatory nose in. With all you've got on the guy, why didn't you just arrest him?
It did cross our mind. He said my intel on Silva only implicates him on crimes committed in South America, not the United States. If extradited to Argentina, well, he can pull enough strings to never go to trial.
Not at least get him into an interrogation. If you know he's planning something, pull it out of him.
Silva won't crack. And holding him won't stop his plan from...
So I will be spending the rest of this evening working on this cowl. as with most of Pearl Soho's patterns, this is a free one. And if you've been following me for a while, you know I like texture. So that's what caught my eye with this. The texture, I wasn't sure how this was gonna look with the multicolored yarn, but I am loving it. And as I said earlier, I love the fact that it's reversible, so either side looks really good, but it's meant to be worn with the wrong side facing so you can see the floats. Now, it is just a 2-row repeat, but I can tell you you need to pay attention because I had to think back a bit when I repeated the same row twice. And that is no fun with this pattern because you cast on 300 and hi Gunner Butts. Hi baby. Hi.
Your way through December should be rewarded by microwaving your way through June.
What? You're such a bully. What do you want?
Channel your inner couch potato.
I'm just talking to the camera. There ain't nobody in here. I promise you. I have a conversation with anyone. This one right here comes because, no, you're going to talk to me right now. He is spoiled rotten. It's not even funny. You, unreal. Anyway, that's what I'll be doing. So as soon as I stop talking to you, he will leave me alone.
Lucky for you, cheapcaribbean.com and
I got 2 inches to go. So basically 24 rounds. I did the math. It's like 11 rows per inch. So I got like 22 rounds to go. Almost. And I think this color is going to look fab. So it's happening. It's really light and fine right now. But the wind is already blowing, so if you're walking into it, it does not feel good. So if you don't have to, don't. He can't find his poop spot. I gotta make my baby a sweater. All right, guys, I came out here just so you guys can see that we have a full-on storm happening. Full-on storm in the East Coast. We're supposed to get, I'm right on the border. I can either get 3 to 6 or 6 to 9 inches, so we shall see. But Gunner Butts is not loving it. The wind is scaring him. And it's piling up quickly. I was out here earlier and there was barely a dusting. But now it is coming down and starting to pile up. So if you are in the path of this storm, be safe. Trying to see if we can get him to poop collectively. It's cold as hell out here. He would let me put the t-shirt back on him.